You do the twist, 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 tornado twist. You do the twist, 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 tornado twist. Tornadoes are columns of spinning air. It can pick up buildings and give you a scare. They form in a cloud called a supercell. If you get sucked up, you won't feel very well. You do the twist, tornado twist. You do the twist, tornado twist. Tornadoes look like huge spinning towers. The wind can get up to 300 miles an hour. They can be narrow or they can be wide. If you see one coming, you better get inside. You do the twist, tornado twist. You do the twist, tornado twist. Twist it up, twist it down. Spin and spin all around. You twist it up, twist it down. We'll do the tornado twist all over the town. There have been tornadoes in every state. They often bring about a terrible fate. Most of them happen from May to June. If you're in Tornado Alley, you might see one soon. You do the twist, tornado twist. You do the twist, tornado twist.